How to make hundreds of dollars every single day making product review video without a product. This is the key point of this video. I'm going to show you in a way that you can make this product review video without a product using an AI. All you have to do is fill the information and AI will do the rest of them and you can make money from it. So you have to watch this video carefully. I'm going to show you an AI to build in a video like this and a tool to build a single one-page website where you can add all the product and you can put the link of the website on the bio like this, and people click the product they like, they watch the video, come back, they click the link and they go to this one-page website and they click the link and they click the buy button, they buy it on Amazon or any other website and you make money from it. So I will detailedly explain this method in this video. All you have to do is watch this video, like this video and subscribe my channels and leave a comment what kind of video that you want to watch in the future. On TikTok or any other social media, the hashtag like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon made me buy it are trending and they are getting a engagement every single day, hundreds, thousands of engagement. So you can use that hashtag and make a video around it and publish it on your channel and you can make easy money, guys. For example, this channel you can see here they have over 300,000 followers, over 3.6 million likes. All they do is they make a product review under 1 minute video on TikTok. They usually buy this product from Amazon and make a video about it. What they do is they build in a single page website like this. This is the important part. This is the one gonna make you money. All you have to do is put the picture and the link, people click that, they go to website and buy it, you make money from it. Now in order to work you need two things. One, a video that get more engagement like this and a website where you're gonna put the link and the product information where people gonna click and buy it. So these two methods you can do it for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna show you how. In the last video I put the link in the top where you can go to this website called vimeo.ai where you can make a product description video. And what this website or this AI gonna do is, if you want to promote a product from Amazon, for example this tablet that you want to promote, click the link and copy and paste the link from here and put it on here and it will make a simple product description video for you guys that you can see here. They will put the pictures, they put all the images they want and they put a avatar, human like avatar on this video. So you can go to my previous video on tutorial how you can use this website to build entire product description video or product review video. You can watch that video and get all the tutorial that you want. I don't want to go through that again, guys. So you can see, make a simple video like this and you can download that video. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, not a YouTube long format video, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels and Story if you want. And number 4 is Pinterest. Pinterest also getting lots of engagement for their videos. Now this part is done. You find the product that you want to promote from Amazon, you copy the link and you will go to this AI and create the product description videos or product review videos and you upload it into the social media. Now how are you going to build a single page website? You have to go to this website called c8ke.com. This is a free website for social media influencer that you can see it from here. You can add anything. You can add your own website, blog post, you can promote anything from here. You can see it's a single page website. This particular website are getting a total traffic is from the social media. From this guy having millions of likes, you can see it getting millions of visits every single day. He put the link is here. People watch this video and click the link and they go to his website and find the product they want and they buy it from it. You're gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna go to this website. C8KE is free. I put the link in the description. You can create an account with it. So after you create an account with it, it's gonna look like this. Okay, you can add the header, like your information. You can add your social media pages, if you can link other social media. I'm promoting other affiliate pages here, but I'm going to show you how you can promote Amazon product like this. So you're going to click link group, or you can see here, if you go back, and you can click this one called add a new blog, and you're going to click links. You are not adding text or feed or email subscription, only links. You're going to click link, so it will add a link group here. So you can select a different format like this, okay, like this, or you can go with the big banners, but I already go with like a 4 images. It look more like a website. So if you want to add more product in this section, click this button called top or bottom. You want to add the product in the bottom or top. Always at the top, because when you're uploading a picture or uploading a video into TikTok or any other social media, that's the recent videos. So if you add the product on the bottom of the other product, it will go in the bottom. People not going to find it. So always add the product top. So click top, or you can click add bottom. So up to you guys. Okay, if you click top here, you're gonna add the link of the product. For example, if you go to Amazon, say you want to promote this product, yeah, open this product. First, you have to join with Amazon Associate Program or Affiliate Program. Then you have a site strip like this. Click text button where you're going to get a short format of your affiliate link. Copy that. You're going to put it on here. For the title, basically what you're going to do is just copy this title. You're going to put it on here. For the picture, just open this picture, click and save image. Now what you do, go back and add the picture. That's it, done. Okay, if you click this button called view, there you go, this is your product. If the people click, it will take to the Amazon website where people can buy it. You make a commission from it. Now remember this, after you done that, this is the product that you want to promote here. So you done the website, you done add the product and everything. Just copy this link, go to vimeo.ai, paste the link, click create your video, and it will create your video for you guys. All you have to do is download this video and upload it into any other social media. Again, only part of the issue is this website, it is not free. They give you a free trial. Play around this vimeo.ai, and if you like these videos, if you like the way that you're making these videos, then only upgrade for the premium version. Otherwise, you can do your manual review, like you can add the pictures yourself and you can make your own video. But important part of this video is this AI, where you can make a product review video without a product, adding pictures and everything, human-like avatar. The second thing is a one-page website where you can add all your affiliate product on this website and you can promote it into your social media. I hope guys you understand these videos. If you have any question, feel free to ask me and I will answer that question. Until then, have a good day. See you next video. And remember this method works worldwide.